following is taken from Way of the Rope 2. For ropes and more rope flow tutorials, go to wayoftherope.com.
The overhand sneak. Now there's one key trick to learning the overhand sneak, and that is this wrist motion. This is the normal wrist motion, then we want to flick under the elbow as we come around. The sneak is simply a drag and roll where the backhand of the overhand position comes under in a more supinated than over, as you can see here. We'll see it in slow motion. So as you can see here, if we just focus on getting this one hand right, the rest of it will come from the drag and roll practice. So as we swing the rope, we keep it rotating under until it comes past the elbow, and then we swivel it round and up. And we simply put this wrist action into the drag and roll, and that becomes a sneak. And I much prefer to do this side on to learn it before we start to turn head on. I think it's more of a martial arts stance or a sword fighting stance. Sneaks around the back. Make sure you practice this with both wrists on both sides. And then you can start to do it front on, like this. And it'd be useful to do the double dragon technique that you'll learn in the flow section of this course to help you master this. But here we go, sneak side on. This is where we want to get it first. And then practice on both sides so we can swap between them. And that's the overhand sneak.